The crypto market has been having a pretty crazy time over the last few weeks, and the number one question on everyone's mind right now is, which crypto do I invest in to see the biggest gains? Right now, the AI sector has the potential to outperform all other narratives because this technology is constantly growing and changing the world. So today, we're going to look at 3 AI projects with the potential for huge long-term gains. Make sure you stick around until the end so you learn exactly how these companies could give you incredible gains. As usual, this video should not be considered financial advice. We are not financial advisors, so please do your own research before investing your own money. The first project is GPU Network. It was founded by Sauraj Chawla, a physicist turned entrepreneur who successfully built and exited a mental health startup called UNX Life, which connected providers to consumers. He was also a former head of partnerships at Router Protocol, and before creating GPU.net, he worked with NVIDIA to buy DGX stations, the same NVIDIA that is now making GPU.net possible. As you might know, GPUs are powerful computer components traditionally used to render video game graphics, but because they are good at processing lots of information at once, they become essential for other tasks like AI, data analysis, and mining cryptocurrencies. Now the problem is, there's so much demand for GPUs that we're approaching a real shortage crisis. This is mainly due to lockdowns in 2020 and the supply chain issue. So now they're expensive and hard to get. Some cloud services are offering a way to rent GPUs over the internet. But this is neither a sustainable solution nor an affordable one, and that's where GPU.net comes in. They're introducing a new way to connect people who have GPUs with those who need them, without relying on a central authority. It's similar to how some file sharing or cryptocurrency services work. Right now, GPU.net's goal is to host 1 million GPUs by the end of 2030. And they've already got over 600 of NVIDIA's A100s ready to go. And if you don't know, the A100 and H100 chips are basically the driving force behind new AI models. These chips are expensive, not to mention impossible to find. And if you're lucky enough to find one, they're usually sold by resellers on eBay for insanely high prices. And GPU.net knows that. So they've honed in on this niche and positioned themselves as the go-to in this sector. Now, no matter the size of your business, you can get enterprise-level AI capabilities. Now, to allow transactions on its platform, GPU.net uses its GPU token. So if you're a provider, you can earn tokens by enabling others to use your GPU when you're not using it. As a consumer, you pay with tokens to access the GPU resources you need. This has several benefits. It makes the market more efficient, reduces costs, and improves security and privacy. Not to mention, it's a huge deal for startups and small businesses that struggle with high costs and low supplies. Our next project is AETHIR. Now, AETHIR and GPU.net actually share a common goal: to address the shortage and high demand for GPUs, particularly for use in AI, gaming, and cryptocurrency mining. But they each approach this goal a little differently. With AETHIR, the focus is on gathering or aggregating idle GPUs from sources like enterprises, data centers, and crypto miners, and redistributing them more efficiently. So GPU.net focuses on a decentralized peer-to-peer model, but AETHIR emphasizes the aggregation and redistribution of underutilized GPUs. This would help maximize the utilization of existing GPU resources. AETHIR focuses less on just amassing a vast collection of GPUs and more on how to effectively use them. It zeroes in on making sure these powerful tools are put to good use, especially in gaming and AI development. And their traction is impressive. AETHIR closed 2023 with a $150 million valuation and has partnerships with Game3s.gg, which is a Web3 gaming platform, and Seedify, which is a well-known incubator and launchpad in the Web3 gaming space. They've also joined up with Well-Linked Tech, which is a graphics-as-a-service provider that works on massively improving the graphics of Cloud Genshin Impact. And just like GPU.net, AETHIR has its own token called AETH, which acts as the currency within its ecosystem for transactions, staking, security, and quality assurance. This token gives you access to AI applications, cloud gaming, and computing services. But beyond just a transactional currency, AETH token plays a role in governing the AETHIR ecosystem, allowing token holders to actually be part of the decision-making processes. So, AETHIR is more than just a supplier of GPUs. They want to attract users and major games to the platform. This focus on building a vibrant ecosystem where GPUs are actively used sets AETHIR apart and offers them a promising future. And finally, we have IO.net. IO.net's philosophy is simple. Just like oil was crucial to starting new industries, computing power is just as essential to fueling new technologies and services today. So, IO.net allows people who are building smart computer programs to use multiple computers at once to improve and speed up their programs without spending a lot of money. As we said, the world is facing a GPU shortage, and even companies like Amazon that rent out computer power don't have enough to go around. They've got about 10 to 15 exaflops of power available, but the world needs about 20 to 25 exaflops worth, thanks to the boom in AI and machine learning projects, which means we need up to 3 times more power than what's currently available. You also have to wait a long time to get access to this power, and when you do, you can't choose exactly what kind of computer power you get, where it's located, or how secure it is. Given how much the service costs, that's a lot of factors out of your control. So IO.net fixes these issues by gathering computer power from places that aren't using it. This could be from smaller data centers, people who mine cryptocurrencies, or other networks. IO.net has also formed strong partnerships in this space with the likes of Filecoin and Render Network. They put all this power together in what they call a decentralized physical infrastructure network, or DePIN. This allows anyone who needs computer power to get it easily, choose exactly what they need, and not spend a fortune in the process. So, if you've got a lot of information you need to process at once, IO.net can split the work across several computers to get it done faster. And if you're using games to teach your AI how to make decisions, IO.net offers tools to handle complex learning tasks with ease. The currency on their platform is the IO coin, which allows transactions between AI startups, developers, and GPU suppliers. If you're a startup or developer, the IO coin simplifies payments for deploying computing clusters and support model inferences on the IO.net platform. And if you're a supplier, you get rewarded an IO coin for making your GPU available, and you earn for both active use and idle time. We know these projects all sound similar, but they are each addressing a different problem in the same space. GPU.net creates a peer-to-peer platform that connects GPU owners directly with users and enables transactions through its GPU tokens. But AETHIR aggregates idle GPUs from various sources and redistributes them efficiently to maximize resource utilization. And IO.net offers a decentralized network to bring together computing power to enhance AI program development, all with different focuses, but the same cause. Investing in AI cryptos means investing in the progress of AI development. As we go on, AI is only going to get more powerful. So, be the force behind it sooner rather than later. If you're interested in learning more about these projects, we'll leave the links below. Again, remember to do your own research before considering investing. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.